ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಎಸ್ಸಿಎಸ್ ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಅಂಗವಾದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಪ್ರಸೂತಿ ತಂತ್ರ ಸ್ತ್ರೀರೋಗ ವಿಭಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಆರ್ಯವೈದ್ಯ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಕೊಯಂಬತ್ತೂರು ಇವರ ಸಹಭಾಗಿತ್ವದೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಪಾಸಣಾ ಶಿಬಿರವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಎಸ್ಸಿಎಸ್ ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಆಡಳಿತಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಯುಕೆ ಖಾಲಿದ್ ಸಭೆಯನ್ನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸ್ವಾಸ್ಥ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
Women are equalizing men in all the field within their limitations, whatever is possible. They are grabbing the opportunity in all the field, and especially in the health field, the contribution of the women is really remarkable, because everywhere we can see the nurses are majority are women, and even the doctors. I take this opportunity to thank them for inviting me to this function, and let everybody take the benefit of this camp on account of the International Women's Day. And healthy women is the backbone of the family, and family is the backbone of the society, and the society is the backbone of the country.
ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರವಿರಾವ್ ಎಸ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೀಯ ಭಾಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಕೌಟುಂಬಿಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಬದ್ಧತೆಯನ್ನ ಶ್ಲಾಘಿಸಿದರು.
Every man's success, it is the woman asset actually. So it is very rightly said actually, and we are also lucky to have the huge woman the workforce. It may be in teaching or it may be in consultants asset actually, and even the hospital, from the reception to the pharmacy, everywhere actually we have got it. So we are proud that is the women are leading from the front over here also in the Karnataka Medical College also. So that's really proud for us as a team. And as I said, gender equality, this year's theme, we have rather given that, or we are doing that as gender equality, and that is also very much required. And this the Women's Day was first celebrated on February 28, 1907, the first anniversary that was stated by UNESCO. But 1975, the Women's Day was first celebrated by the UN. Officially it was celebrated, and every year it is celebrated, giving importance to women, because women fought for their rights from 1905 onwards. They fought.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಉದಯ್ ಡಿಕೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಉಪ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜೆಸಿಂತಾ ಎಂ ಡಿಸೋಸಾ, ಉಪ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಭಟ್, ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಜಿತ್ ಕಾಮತ್ಯಂ, ಪ್ರಸೂತಿ ತಂತ್ರ ಸ್ತ್ರೀರೋಗ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಶಾ ಕೆ, ಆರ್ಯವೈದ್ಯ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಯ ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೈಯದ್ ಕದೀರ್ ಮೊದಲಾದವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಘಾ ಉದಯ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೀತು ದೇವ್ ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಾಣಿ ವಂದಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಈ ಶಿಬಿರವು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 7ರಿಂದ 12ರವರೆಗೆ ನಡೆಯಲಿದ್ದು, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರು ಇದರ ಸದುಪಯೋಗವನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಬ್ಯೂರೋ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
The Karnataka Educational and Charitable Trust was established in 1994 with an aim to impart the education and services in medical and paramedical field. The campus is spread in a vast area accommodating Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College, SCS College of Nursing Science, Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College Hospital and hostels in an independent building. SCS College of Nursing. Courses offered: Basic BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing. Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College offers undergraduation BA MS and post-graduation courses MS and MD in Ayurveda. The Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College Hospital offers inpatient and outpatient department, physiotherapy, X-ray, ultrasound, laboratory, pharmacy, OT and LT with treatments like Akshitarpana, Alepa Bashpasveda, Katibasti, Nadi Sveda Parisheka, Pinda Sveda Shirodhara, Valuka Sveda Vrana Prakshalana by well-trained and leading consultants. For more information, please contact Karnataka Educational and Charitable Trust, KECT Towers, Hoige Bail, Ashok Nagar, Mangaluru.